what's up? My name is Melinda, Sephora Beauty Director, and in today's Beauty Newbie, I'm going to show you how to shave your face. That's right, how to shave your face. I'm using a tool from Sephora collection. This is the metal facial razor. It has a little razor up top that's specifically designed for this purpose. I love to use this for a multitude of reasons. It's a great form of exfoliation. One, it gets rid of that stubborn peach fuzz that gets in the way sometimes. Also, it's fantastic for the appearance of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, all of that kind of lightens up. So this is something I like to do once a week, once every 2 weeks. It's really simple, just a few steps. First step, you're gonna wanna start with clean skin, very clean skin, and you leave it dry. Second step, you'll grab your razor and we'll start shaving. Basically, you want to make sure that you have control of the razor when you're using it. So I like to keep my hand at the top. It's kind of like a blending brush when you're doing your eyeshadow. If you hold it down here, less control. If you hold it up here, you've got all the control. Then you're going to take your other hand with 2 fingers, hold your skin taut, and you'll take a 45-degree angle and start taking very short, quick strokes as you move downwards. It's important not to go over the same area more than once or twice because you can kind of cause some irritation that way. So just keep moving as you go. You can really see all of that peach fuzz, all that dead skin just sliding off effortlessly, leaving you really smooth. So once I've done each of the sides of my face, I'm gonna move on to my upper lip. I just advise you kind of skip the areas that are a little tricky with a razor. For example, the nose is a little tricky and you don't get much peach fuzz there anyways. Avoid getting too close to your eyes. And of course, when you're doing your lip, don't get too close because it is a razor. All right, you'll notice that my skin does get a little bit red. Everyone's different. I'm so prone to redness. It happens all the time. It goes away in an hour or two, so you don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna move on to my chin now, and then I'll do my forehead. And you can see these tiny little strokes I'm taking. So step 3 is just moving on to your skincare. We're gonna apply some moisturizer. This one is from Sephora collection. It's the Nourishing Moisturizer with prebiotics. The really awesome thing about shaving your face and then moving on to your skincare is that because you've exfoliated and you've taken off all that dead skin, your skincare is actually gonna work better for you. It's gonna penetrate deeper and really do its job. I love this moisturizer. It's great because it's nice and thick. I feel like I feel it still in the morning. The moisture from it lasts all night long. And it's so important to put moisture back in after doing this. You don't want to leave your skin thirsty. I can feel how smooth my skin is now. I can't wait to apply foundation. Probably tomorrow. You want to wait a little bit, but it'll be so smooth and glowy and dewy because it's just a perfect canvas. I feel so smooth, so glowy. I would love to hear from you if you've tried this out. Do you like shaving your face? Are you gonna give it a go? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video to show me some love. Subscribe so you can see more like this, and I'll see you all next time.